Introduction. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make a lady's suit. If you're looking to create a stylish and elegant suit that fits perfectly, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll go through the step-by-step process of making a tailored jacket and trousers, using professional techniques that will give you a high-quality finish. So, let's get started. Materials. Before we start, let's go through the materials you'll need for this project. You'll need a suit pattern. Fabric for the suit, wool or wool blend is recommended. Lining fabric. Interfacing. Thread. Sewing machine. Scissors. Pins. Measuring tape. Iron and ironing board. Step 1. Cutting the fabric. The first step is to cut out the pattern pieces from your fabric. Make sure to follow the pattern instructions carefully, marking and cutting each piece accurately. Cut out the jacket front, back, sleeves, collar, and any other pieces required. Then cut out the trouser front, back, waistband, and pockets. Step 2. Adding interfacing. Next, we'll add interfacing to some of the pieces. Interfacing is a stabilizing fabric that adds structure and support to certain areas of the suit. Apply the interfacing to the collar, lapels, and any other areas specified in your pattern instructions. Step 3. Sewing the jacket. Now it's time to sew the jacket. Follow the pattern instructions carefully, starting with the shoulder seams and progressing to the sleeves, collar, and body of the jacket. Be sure to press each seam carefully with an iron as you go, to ensure a professional finish. Finish the lining and hemming to complete the jacket. Step 4. Sewing the trousers. Moving on to the trousers, follow the pattern instructions to sew the front and back pieces together at the crotch and inseam. Attach the waistband and zipper, then sew the pockets in place. Finally, hem the trousers to the desired length. Conclusion. And there you have it, a beautiful lady's suit that you made yourself. With some patience and attention to detail, anyone can create a well-fitting and stylish suit. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.